Hey, this is D Revolution back at you with another video. I've written 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. Why don't you take a moment and like this video for me? I really need for this video to shoot up to the top, and I really need more support on this channel. I am here to talk about things from a writer's perspective. I've been writing for 30 years, been studying storytelling for 30 years. So, I just wanted to tell you guys a quick little secret for those of you just getting started. When I started writing, I started off writing screenplays, and I think I'm an emotional guy. I can be very emotional, and when I write, I want that emotion to come across my writing. You know, when you read something of mine, I want you to laugh at what I wrote to be funny. Now that's not always gonna happen, but I actually tested it out some years ago when I wrote a screenplay. There was a scene that I wrote that I actually thought was funny. And this is the thing: when you think it's funny and you're writing it, you might actually laugh yourself while you're writing it. So when my sister read it, she laughed at that very part. I felt really good because I said, okay, it worked, you know. So, but this is how you can pull out the best emotion in your writing. This is a little secret that I learned. I tried it and it really works. So, if you're writing a story and let's say you have a particular scene that you're trying to write, where it needs to be a heartfelt scene, uh, put on your heartfelt song, the song that make you feel what you're writing, the song that you like so much that you may listen to when you want to feel a certain way. You know, some people put on. I mean, you know, back in the early '90s, I would put on some R. Kelly or if I had a love scene or something like that. And when I tell you, when I go back and read those particular scenes that I put a song on, I can actually feel the energy radiating off the paper. You know, and that's just a little, I don't know if it's a secret. I don't know if everybody does that. All I know is that I did it because it made sense for me to do. Now, if you're a writer and you're writing your story and you need to write something hardcore, you might want to put on the DMX song or put on something hardcore to listen to, or Tupac or something like that to make you get more engaged. I mean, you got to listen to this while you are writing, and it really enhances uh, what comes out of your mind onto the paper. I've kind of gotten away from it. I don't know why, but it does work. It really works, and that's one of the things that advantage you may have over other writers when you write. That's a secret. Please like and subscribe to my page. I need you guys to support this page. Peace. I'm D Revolution.